a little bit dusty after a work day last night, so I'll get out and get some fresh air, go to the Devonport Antique Emporium, just have a little bit of a wander. Halfway down the highway, decided to go and look at a waterfall instead. Driving along the highway was just crazy. With all the frost we've had up north, it legit looks like it snowed. It's just crazy. I don't feel like I've ever seen frost like it, so really keen to see what this waterfall's like. That's frost. That looks like snow, but that is actual frost. Will I slip over today? That is the question. Just went to use the restroom and the toilets are frozen. What the hell? The falls I was just at, if you hadn't already guessed, was Westmorland Falls. Absolutely beautiful, and had the place to myself pretty much the whole time. And I've just come down the road, and just on the side of the road you can actually visit Honeycomb Caves, which is absolutely stunning. So beautiful out here. Not feeling dusty anymore.